Okay everyone, in the previous lesson we train our model and show it in this plot. What is it telling us? It's predicting the price of the oil by a line. It's fitting a line that is gonna to be the best line that can predict the prices. It's a simple linear regression that we can do. Okay, we do a linear regression, but as you can see, it's not good, or it's not giving us a really good answers. Okay, how we can determine how good our model is? We can determine it by something that we have here. Okay, we go to search how to determine we just search how to know our linear regression model is fitted good or not. R2 value. Okay, we must calculate the R2 value. How to calculate R2 value in linear regression in a scikit-learn. Okay, we go to this site. It's not opening. Why? Okay, this is the R2. How to we don't want them. Okay, it's not giving us the answer. It's widespread. Flatten the array to use in Arduino scope. Okay, Arduino sklearn. We must import from sklearn metrics. Metrics in sklearn is a library for determining the good or bad our model is. Okay, and then we just flatten our y like you do here. Let's copy this y dot flatten, ypred dot flatten. Y is not defined. Oh, we flatten. Let's x y. What is the name of our y? Data y. Let's write data y. Okay, series object has not flattened. Okay, let's don't flatten them for now. Let's see if we can use it or not. ypred. We say data y. Okay, it's run perfectly. I tell you must know how to use pandas and numpy because these libraries use their format as a data type. Okay, let's print our R2 is okay. What is R2? Now we learn how to calculate the R2. What is R2 really is? It's an important thing I'm gonna teach you in the next lesson with some more examples. Have a good day and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until tomorrow.